Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing another nail design that is holiday Christmas themed, and I love how simple this is, but it turns out so cute. So first off, you want to start off by painting your nails with this burgundy color. I actually think this will also turn out cute with red, but I wanted burgundy so that I can call this design berries and cream. I don't know, I just like it. It reminds me of something so nice and sophisticated yet so simple to do. So I'm applying 2 coats of this nail polish color, which I adore, by the way. I think wintertime is perfect for colors like this, and then you want to wait for it to completely dry. It has to be fully dried before moving on to the next step, which is adding a nail tape. And I have this little nail striping tape. You can get these online or at your local nail supply store. So you just want to cut it and you want to apply it onto your nails in a shape that I will show you. But this is the reason why your nails have to be fully dry. If your nails are not fully dry, you will mess it up and you cannot stick the tape to it, and when you try to pull it up, you will ruin everything. Now I'm using this glitter like nail polish. It's almost golden, but it's not fully gold. I love it that it has a little bit of hollow in it as well. So I'm just applying it, as you can see. And once you're satisfied with the amount of the glitter that you have on, you want to remove the nail striping tapes immediately. You don't want to wait for it to dry. You just want to remove it immediately. And I'm going to repeat the same process on all my nails. And I just love how easy it is to do this design, but it's so festive and it's perfect for holidays, for Christmas time. I think this is super cute, and it's something that I think it will look beautiful on all nail shapes or short or long nails. And I'm adding a top coat to make sure that everything looks glossy and perfect. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in comments, and I will talk with you tomorrow in a new design video. Until then, check out some of my other videos that are also holiday, Christmas, winter themed, and I will talk with you tomorrow. Bye.